and welcome to today's live stream. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in the world. Today we have very, very special guests because these two gentlemen have succeeded at very high level ranking in terms of their network. And here we are a network marketing company, and we recognize our top achievers. And today we are very fortunate because we have two 3-star managers. All right, we have two 3-star managers. One is from the Philippines, and the other one is from Thailand. Right. Now, both of them, they would prefer to speak in their native language, but because they understand that we have a global audience, right? And they will do their best to speak in English for you. All right. So you have to really be thankful that they are doing their best, and they can do anything because why? They have journeyed along at Prife International, and they became 3 stars within just a few months. So these are not ordinary guys. All right. These are guys with a lot of determination, and they will never say no, right? They will never take no as an excuse. They will overcome the rain, earthquake, thunderstorm, whatever, just to reach their destination, which is a 3-star. All right. And from here, you can definitely see them going higher. All right. Now, I'm very, very fortunate for having these two gentlemen, and let's learn from them how in their journey to become 3-star managers in their respective countries, what are the things that they had to go through to achieve this amazing 3-star ranking. And just to give you an idea, I mean, it is life-changing, all right? In terms of their income, it's definitely life-changing. So to reach where they are, wow, it's a wow. And let's start and kick off by introducing first our guest, all the way from the Philippines. His name is Margarito Auditor. Let's welcome him. Hello. Kamusta po? How are you?
Hi. Have a great day, Doc.
Okay. Good to
Thank you.
see you and good to have you. Thank you so much for coming and sharing your success story and your secret. I think everyone here wants to listen to your story so that they can learn from you. So to kickstart, these are the questions that I think a lot of people want to know. The first one is, how was your life before joining Prife International? Margarito, how was your life? Tell us.
Well, I am a full-time construction worker for more than 10 years.
Wow, construction worker talaga. Oh,
And I start working from 7 in the morning until 10 in the evening.
oh my,
And
my.
that is my daily routine every day.
That is hard work. That is very, very hard work. Construction worker. Wow.
Yes.
And wow, I'm just like, lost for words. So how did you know about iTerra Care? I mean, who told you about it?
A friend of mine invited me to attend a face-to-face product presentation, and at first, I don't want to attend, but I told myself that I have nothing to lose to attend. So I tried my best to attend and listen the presentation.
Mm-hmm.
And after the presentation, wow, I really surprised about iTerracare device because I need this device. I don't have budget that time. But because of my commitment, I really need the product. I made a way. After one day,
Wow.
I purchased one device.
Because
And
you are in construction, and during COVID, there's no construction, diba? So that means no job for a while. Am I right?
we are selected only. We are the, what do you call that? Isolated.
Okay.
We we work in the,
Limited. Yeah.
yes, in the we will not allowed to go home. We are just stay in the place, in the
Construction site. Yeah. Wow.
construction site. Yes.
Wow. Amazing. Amazing. Now, can you please tell us, um, how long did it take you since you joined Prife, right?
Mhm.
How many months before you became a 3-star? Please share with us.
Um, I become 3-star for 1 year.
Okay. 1 year.
So
Mm-hmm.
yes, but become before I become a 3-star, I have a lot of sleepless night because
Wow.
I do the business part time
Mm-hmm.
during our lunch break and
Mm-hmm.
after working hours.
Okay.
And
So in other words, you still kept your construction job and you
yeah,
tried to do whatever you could in between lunchtime, break time, after work.
exactly. Yes,
Oh my, oh my. That is tough. That is really tough. So how long before you became full time? Like your income started to grow, your downline started to grow, and then you left your construction and full time. How long before you decide to go full time?
actually, I'm still working right now. I'm still
Wow,
because
really? You are still
yeah,
in construction and you became a 3-star. Wow, guys, all over the world. Come on. What kind of excuses do you have? Here we have Margarito, worked full time in construction and became a 3-star. You are amazing. That is a really big motivation for a lot of people and inspiration. Amazing, amazing. Wow. Now, Margarito, tell us, what is the strategy? Like many people want to know, to become a 3-star, what do you have to do? You sponsor big networkers, or you teach them, or you strategize, you duplicate? What is your strategy?
I just follow my upline said that
Mhm.
you talk your friends and invite them to attend the Zoom presentation.
Okay.
So that's all I do. I talk to my friend and I invite them to attend the Zoom presentation of Upline Norashid and Upline Nathan, Sir Nathan, and
Mhm.
all. That's I don't know how to present the product, and all I need is to let them uh, to send them the Zoom link presentation.
Wow. So basically, what you did is create some curiosity by talking to them, and they went to the Zoom and listened to Mr. Noor Rashid and Mr. Nathan and maybe Christian, and just listen to your upline talk. In other words, you leverage on them. We call it leverage. You leverage on your upline. So you just send them the Zoom link and send them to be presented by your upline. Wow, that is
Yes,
fantastic. Amazing.
yes.
Yeah, wow. That and tell us, has becoming a 3-star changed your life for you?
Give my family the what they want. I was able to travel for free because of Prife International.
Wow.
And I know I have a confidence in my heart that I will give my family a bright future.
Wow.
So right now, I was able to pay all my debt, all my
Mhm.
utang. I have a
But
lot of debt, a lot of utang.
okay.
So
So you are able to settle all your utang, your
yeah,
debts in the
yes.
past. And did you go to Dubai? I mean, where did you go for incentive trip? Where did you go?
The first incentive was in Coron, Palawan.
Ah,
So
Korong Palawan. Yes.
that's my first time in my life
Okay.
First time in my life for free. And
Wow.
I never experienced travel in working in
Mm.
construction company.
Yeah.
Never. That's first time.
Yeah.
That's the really excited, and I am so happy.
Yeah. And after the Coron, now I believe will you be going to Malaysia?
Malaysia. Yes. Yes. Work free
And we are going to have
with
about
my wife.
3,000 people in the Malaysia first anniversary convention. And I'm sure
Yeah.
you are not going alone. You're going with your downline leaders as well, right?
Yes.
Wow, this
Yes.
is
Yes.
amazing. I'm so touched by your story, and I'm sure a lot of people will be touched as well when they watch this. Amazing. You work full time, you do networking part time, and you became a three-star manager. And yet, you know what, Margarito? Many people, they give all kinds of excuses, all kinds of excuses. But someone like you, I guess you saw the opportunity, you took the ball and you run with it, and you don't give yourself any excuses. Am I right? You just
Yes. Yes.
do it and just do it and just do it. So the secret of your success is just seeing as many people as you possibly can and send them all to the Zoom to be presented by your uplines. That's it, nah. That's it.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Um, for Philippine, I mean, now we celebrated the opening of the new office. And where do you see the potential of the Philippine market for Prife International and for yourself, for your group?
If they will join Prife International, they
Yeah.
have they have a bright future. The Prife is booming right now. It's not hard to sell the product because the product sell itself.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
yes. Once they try the product, once they try the product, they will buy. They will buy.
In other words, the product can speak
Yes.
for
Yes.
itself. Wow. Thank you so much, Margarito. Thank you so much. Your sharing is really, really inspiring. And I wish you and your family all the best. And definitely, I know and I can feel it. You will not stop at just three-star. So the next
Yes.
stop will be Sapphire Director and moving up. So see you in Kuala Lumpur, and all the very best to you, and God bless. And thank you so much for coming in to share with our viewers today. And all the very best to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Doc.
Wow, there you have it, guys. A guy who works full time and does MLM part time and became a three-star manager. Amazing.